God, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. The wigs are getting better and better every year. I can't. Hey Bill, thanks for tuning in to today's video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and an install on this new wig from Yolissa Hair. Before we get into the wig, I want to show you all the goodies that came in the box. You get your lashes, a satin scarf, wig caps, an elastic melting band, and an edge brush comb. And you also get this satin bag to store your wig in after you get done wearing it. And of course, all the contact information is also on the bag because that's smart packaging. So let's jump into this wig. This wig, guys, sensational. Look at this. It's already pre-bleached, pre-plucked. The plucking is sensational. I can't even pluck that good myself. It's already pre-curled. I'm going to leave the netting on until I'm ready to install that, but that'll be like a little bit later on in the video. But I want to give you guys an up-close view of the wig. You guys can see it has an elastic band with grippers on there so it doesn't come off. You can see how clear this lace is. It's HD lace. This also has combs and adjustable straps. And I'm showing you on my hand how this thing just melts. How it melts. I haven't even put foundation on it yet and it just melts already. So we're going to jump into applying some foundation so that it matches my skin tone better. And that's going to make it melt even more. They really bleached these knots so good. You guys, you can't even see the knots. You cannot see the knots. They bleached it so good. But what I'm doing is just getting it prepared because I'm going to be putting it on tomorrow morning, which is going to be like later on in this video. But I wanted to get it prepared the night before. And then what I'm doing now is cutting off the excess lace. I'm actually cutting it very close to the hairline because like the less lace I have to blend in, the better. So I'm cutting it like pretty much directly up to the hairline, just leaving a little bit of space there. And I'm cutting off the little tabs on the end as well so that I don't have to worry about blending those in. And I'm going to show you just how good this thing melts. All right, look at that. Look at that, you guys. So I have 180% density for my wig, medium cap size, 22 inches, and it's a 5x5 lace closure. So guys, this is the wig. I haven't took the netting off of it yet. So let's see what she's looking. Oh, juicy, juicy curls. I cut the lace off last night because I wanted to be as little lace on the front as possible so that it's less blending I have to do. This is a glueless wig, so you can use this strap and you can adjust it however tight you want it to so that you ain't gotta worry about it coming off. And then there's combs on the inside. You guys saw too, I already put some, what do you call it? Some foundation on here. It looks like all I gotta do is put her on like she's already done, but we're gonna see. So guys, this is how she looks without me gluing her. Oh my. Ooh, are you guys, I'm trying to get as close as possible. Are you guys seeing how, I don't even know if I'm gonna glue her. I think I'm just gonna use the combs today. This is like the most melted naturally I have ever. Okay, so we're not even gonna use spray today. We're just gonna put the combs in. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer right here because I can see my cap coming through right here. Just gorgeous, just absolutely gorgeous. My wig is 22 inches too, you guys, in case you're wondering. As you guys can see, it comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-curled. Everything's done for you. Look at that. Just amazing, amazing. Okay, let me see. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do some baby hairs or not. It's so instinctual for me to do baby hair. Let me comb this out first. Let's see what we're working with. Oh, this is giving Hollywood hair. I love the fact that I ain't gotta curl it, cause girl, if I ain't gotta do the work, I don't want to do the work, and that's on purr. It's nice and full. The hair is really, really soft. Let me see if it's shedding. Oh man, gotta get my hands through the curls. Just a little bit. So you guys can see, I got like this little bit of hair, if you can see it. Not bad, not bad. I did cut the lace off, so I did. Now you guys saw I cut real close, so that might be what some of that shedding is. She fits nice and comfortably on the head as well. I know we're seeing this. Okay, so I am going to do baby hair. Like you guys, this is how it looks without baby hair. If you don't want baby hair, this is all you. No work required. As you guys saw, I just put it on my head. But I gotta do baby hairs. I do it. I'm using some of my got to be glued gel. Just gonna do some more baby hair, some more. Not too much hair, just enough. That should be good now. I'm gonna take a little bit that's left on my hands, rub it together.
I wonder what you think sometimes. I wonder if you lie, but if you do, just save my life, save my life. Damn, I missed all you. Why you playing me? You know that you fuck with me. Yeah. I try to give you my attention, you want none of it. I thought I gave you all my love, but it wasn't enough. If I pull up just shit, baby, don't bring it honestly, you get it. Or should I go and taste? I'm sick of it, me wanna fit. I try to give you my attention, you want none of it. I thought I gave you all my love, but it wasn't enough.
God, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is from Yolissa Hair. Of course, it'll be linked down below in the description bar. If I have a discount code, it'll be down below in the description bar as well. The wigs are getting better and better every year. I can't. So I'm wearing this out like this without any glue. You guys know I always spray something, so I'm so nervous and excited, but I'm gonna rock it because I'm just so impressed with how it melted and how beautiful it is and how little work was required. So this is the hair. I'm gonna finish getting dressed and I'll show you guys my outfit. Okay, I'll be back.
up, just shake. Baby, don't break it. Honestly, get it. Arch your back, I wanna taste. Keep on shaking.